Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So as you know, in this mini-series we are talking about mostly about Llama and artificial intelligence in general. And today I'm going to introduce you to this wonderful website. HuggingFace, it's a hub where you are going to find a ton of different models. You have models for various libraries, for various purposes, and trained in various ways. So if you are into artificial intelligence and agents programming or something, this site is something that you must do. And basically there are only two things that you have to worry about when HuggingFace is about. Its requirements, because you don't want to end up with some model that you cannot run on your machine, and you have to worry about license, because some of these models are proprietary. Now, in order to use this website, you have to create an account, and I already have one, so I'm just going to log in. Account creation is really straightforward, so I'm just going to log in into my account. Now, what is important? Go to your profile picture and go into access tokens. In here, you have to create one access token in order to be able to download your models. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So create new token, and in here you are going to name your token. And with fine-grained, you are going to select all of permissions. And if you don't want to bother about that, you could simply click on read or write. And if you want maximum safety, go with read token and you're good to go. Now, when you get your token string, keep it somewhere safe, because you are going to need it in order to log in into HuggingFace CLI. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything in details. Now go to models, and in here you have categories on the left side and models on the right side. So because I'm not running some strong machine, I'm going to have some simple model. So text generation, I want some small model, let's say no more than 3 billion parameters, and I want to use transformers library. And from all of these models, I have this one already installed on my machine. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to install it. So if you click on your model, you are going to be able to see all of explanations about it. One of the most important is this license. So with Apache 2.0, we are good to go. And if you want to read more about this model, you are going to see that it acts like a doctor. Gives you health advices or something like that, but don't trust it too much. If you have some health issues, see the real doctor. But what I like the most about this website, check this out. With all of models, you have code example how to make it run. So I'm just going to copy this code, or I can just click in here, and I'm going to paste that code in my Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now, in order to be able to run this, we have to install something first. I'm going to open my terminal in here, and what I want to install, I'm going to use pip install LangChain HuggingFace, then transformers and HuggingFace hub CLI break. I already have all of this installed. Not transformers, transformers. I have a typo in here. Transformers. Okay, it's cool now. I'm going to clear all this. Okay, I'm going to resize this window, and in here we have to change something, and as you can see, we cannot import a pipeline from transformers, but from transformers pipelines. And as you can see in here, pipe object regulates everything. So when you create pipeline, in here you're going to select type of this model, model name, and working device. Now with prompt, you are going to provide actual question and answer form. And as you can see, I'm asking here what are the symptoms of acute whatever this is. I'm going to change this into something that I know, something like this. And in here, in response, we are going to use pipe object, where we are going to provide this prompt, and then we are going to set max tokens, sample, and temperature. And you are free to experiment with all of these. When response is returned, we are going to get generated text as the answer. And before we continue, what I want to show you, one tool that you are going to use with HuggingFace, and that is HuggingFace minus CLI. And I'm going to use help. Let me show you what we have in here. So first thing that we have to do, we have to log in. So I'm going to do that now. And of course, when I press, I'm going to be asked for my token. And I have my token in this second file, token.txt, but I'm not going to show you that. So I'm going to cut this part of the video. Now I'm going to paste this token. And I'm logged in. Now, what I want to show you now. I'm going to use command scan cache in order to show you what models I have. So with HuggingFace CLI, scan cache, and you can see that I already have this model installed. If you have more models, you are going to see more models on the list. You can install model by using this command, download. So you are going to type something like this, HuggingFace CLI, download, and then you are going to provide a name of model that you want to install. For example, let's select some other model. Okay, MetaLlama. And in here I'm going to have a name of this model. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to download this model just to show you how it works. Aha, I have to be authorized in order to use this model. Let me find something else. Let's see with this tiny llama, it's only 1 billion parameters. I'm going to copy this. Let's try this one. So download. All right, we have it. Now, in order to see a list of all our models, I'm going to scan cache and let's see what we have. We have this one, but it's only 49.5 kilobytes installed. That is not complete model. And we have this one, Tiny Llama. Okay, now in order to eliminate some of these models, meaning to uninstall them, what I have to do is to use command delete cache. Actually delete minus cache. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all of models that I don't need. So I'm going to delete Tiny Llama and I'm going to delete MetaLlama. And of course we are going to save this Med Scholar. Okay, I'm going to press enter and I'm going to be asked whether I want to delete all of this or not. And I'm going to scan cache again, and as you can see I have only one model installed. Okay, if that is clear, now I'm going to run this project and wait for the result. Great, let's see what we have. All right, I guess it works just fine. Now, when you are done with using of HuggingFace, just type, let me show you, HuggingFace CLI, logout. Great. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like and subscribe.